Hi everyone, welcome to this channel. In this video, I will tell you and show you how you can change your Facebook profile picture without notifying all your followers. Please subscribe to our channel, put your likes, write comments. Let's get started. First, we need to go to Facebook. Here on the home page, you and I will need to go to our profile. To do that, right up here at the top, click on your profile picture. Then, in order to change your profile picture, you click on it. Then you select Change Profile Picture. Now you can choose where you want to upload your new photos from. From your camera or from the post that you've been embedding. You might want to go from Google Photo or whatever you want to choose from. I'm gonna go with camera. So I'm gonna click More. Next, we're going to select an image. And now you can edit it here. You can frame it. You can make some changes. For example, if we click Edit, you and I can zoom in on this image, drag it somewhere. So there you go. And now, let's say you changed a photo, you want to put it up, but you don't want all your followers to see that you've done it. Then you just need to at the bottom of the screen, near the line that asks if you want to share your update in the newsfeed, you just uncheck this checkbox, which is always the default here. Now you and I can click Save. Great. As you can see, this profile photo has changed. We can upload it to Facebook a little bit. And as you can see, we don't have a post about how before. I had a post about changing the profile. There's no post about that this time. So that's the easy way you and I can change our Facebook profile picture without notifying absolutely everyone. Hope this video was useful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, write your comments, put your likes, and see you soon.